Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 29th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see another drop for U.S. equities this after bond yields plunged and worries over an economic slowdown continue. So today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lower by 221 points. It was actually lower by over 400 at one point. So had a late day rally, but nowhere near enough to get back into the black here. The S&P 500 was lower by 19 points, while the Nasdaq 100 was lower by 60 points, and the Russell 2000 finished lower by about 14 points. I'll come back to these charts in just a moment. There is something I want to show you, but here's TLT, the ETF for the 20-year Treasury. Put it in a new high today, 129.90. The whole bond market went higher and the yields dropped. The 10-year note is at 2.264%. Crude oil was fairly flat today. It was lower, but did bounce by the end of the session. Gold finishing higher by $2.50. This despite a sharp move higher by the US dollar. Now, let's go back to those equity charts. And first of all, 3 out of the 4 main equity index charts closed below their 200 period moving average today. That's not a good sign. But secondly, one of the most consistent reversal patterns in technical analysis has been is clearly visible on these index charts. Here's the Dow. What I'm referring to is the head and shoulders pattern. The head and shoulders pattern predicts a reversal from a bullish trend to a bearish trend. And what you want to look for are these 3 pivot highs: shoulder, head, shoulder. Now the key is the lowest point between the 2 shoulders. In this case, it's right here. This low right here. And today was that break below that low. That's the key there. Now, to really confirm this, we need a trade below this bar's low. Right here, we need to see some follow through, but it could happen as early as tomorrow. Certainly, momentum is lower on this chart. You look at the S&P 500, and it's a very similar picture. Shoulder here, head, and shoulder. You pick the lowest point between those 2 shoulders, and that is this level here. And there we are today, breaking through that level. So things certainly look like we will get a continuation to the downside. So if there's any hope left here, it's that we don't break today's lows and we start to rally from here. But any move below today's lows, and we will continue to trade lower. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.